Okay, this is Monkey Island in Florida. There's 3 monkeys left on the island. There was 5 at one time. It's a long story here, but if you ever get a chance, want to spend a night or two around this area, it's very cool. Lots of quaint little motels, bars. We watched live music on a Thursday night last night, but it must be a senior community because at 10 o'clock it was a ghost town, but they must start the music early. But very cool area. Florida cracker. Cracker all over the place here for some reason. Don't know what a cracker is, and then you get the odd millionaire. But Lacey and Bella are having a good time. But again, Monkey Island. Woman's out there feeding them now. One monkey's on the post over there. There's 3 of them. Look at something's biting me. Oh. Yeah, very cool. Monkey. Cheeky Monkey Island. We're going to try and go kayaking today around here. We got our booster shots yesterday, so our arms are kind of sore. But yeah, Monkey Island's kind of cool. Very cool. Monkeys are all fed. Cheeky monkey. Bloody hell. Okay, you all have a good day, and we're going to go see if we can see some manatees around Monkey Island. Bye.